Good morning, students. As we were discussing about immune system in our previous video, in the same series today I am going to discuss about allergies and autoimmunity today. So initially I want to discuss about allergies. Here in the picture you are observing that there is a lady and she is sneezing out there, and you can see out or you can observe there the allergy may be the allergy may be due to the different types of allergens, and there are various symptoms. There are one side you are observing different causes, okay, and or on the second side you can see that there are various symptoms of the allergies. So here you are observing in the first case there are mites or there are bugs, or in the second picture you are observing milk or egg, and in the third picture you are observing pollen grains, and in the last one figure you are observing some insects like spider, and their bites can cause allergies. And eczema is a one kind of symptom, and sometimes allergy means you are observing spots on the skin, vomiting, and asthma are some symptoms due to the allergies. Okay, now today we are going to discuss in detail that what is allergy, and how it occurs, and how can we treat it. So allergy is basically it is a kind of hypersensitivity disorder of immune system in which exaggerated response of immune takes place to certain antigens present in the environment. यानी we can say that it's a kind of hypersensitive disorder of your immune system. मतलब आपका immune system बहुत ज़्यादा sensitive हो जाता है, in which exaggerated response ऑफ द इम्यून सिस्टम टेक्स प्लेस. एग्जर्जेटेड का मतलब है कि बहुत ही मतलब बड़ा चढ़ा करके आपका इम्यून सिस्टम रिस्पॉन्स देना स्टार्ट करता है अगेंस्ट द पर्टिकुलर एंटीजन और अगेंस्ट अ पर्टिकुलर एलर्जी कॉजिंग एजेंट. ठीक है, तो यानी व्हाट इज एलर्जी? एलर्जी इज अ काइंड ऑफ हाइपर सेंसिटिव रिस्पॉन्स ऑफ योर इम्यून सिस्टम in which exaggerated response of immune system takes place against any kind of antigen which is present in your environment. So substances which are causing allergy are called as allergens, and allergens might be mites in the dust, and these may be pollen grains, these may be animal dander, these may be egg, milk, uh, or various other kinds of allergens might be possible. And what are the various symptoms of allergy? Sneezing is the symptom of allergy, watery eyes is the symptom of allergy, running nose is the symptom of allergy, and sometimes difficulty in the breathing is also symptom of allergy. Now actually what is the reason behind the allergies? I am going to tell you that because these allergens, due to the presence of these allergens, our immune system starts to provide some chemicals like histamine or serotonin from the mast cell, and which can cause allergies. So you, as we know that mast cells are present in your loose connective tissue. Basically in the areolar connective tissue you can find out mast cell, and these mast cells can release histamine. Histamine is a allergy causing substance. ठीक है, तो which can cause allergy in your body. ठीक है, तो and with the due to the presence of these disease causing chemicals, or we can say that allergy causing chemicals like histamine or serotonin released by mast cell can cause different symptoms of allergies. And how could we diagnose that a particular agent is pathogen for us? Injecting small doses of possible allergens and reactions are observed. So for to check which kind of substance can can behave like a allergen, if you want to check it or if you want to diagnose it, so a very small quantity of that particular allergen is introduced or injected in the body, and then the um, body is going to be observed for few minutes or for an hour. Then we can find out then, or we can conclude that is that particular substance is working like a allergen or not. ठीक है, now there are some drugs which are used to treat these allergies. Now what are these drugs? Some antihistamine, some adrenaline, or some steroids can give you relief from that particular allergic reactions. ठीक है, तो एंटी हिस्टामाइन है, एड्रेनलिन है, स्टीरॉइड्स है, these are used to get relief from the allergies, and these can quickly reduce the symptoms of allergy. Now, protected environment lowered immunity, thus more and more people are now sensitive to allergens. So we should have to make our environment protected from the allergens. Nowadays there are too many, or there are various types of allergens are spreaded throughout the atmosphere or environment, so which can cause allergies in the most of the people. So we should have to protect our environment for such kind of allergens. Okay, now the next and the last topic which I want to discuss with you, it's autoimmunity. Now autoimmunity is a kind of disorder, or we can say that autoimmunity is the failure of an organism in recognizing its own constituent parts of self, thus leading to an immune response against the own cell and tissues. But as you know that our immune system has capability to recognize that which cell is our own cell and which cell is non-self cell, means foreign cell. Okay, in such kind of disorder, in autoimmunity, what happens, our immune system is not able to select out or to find out that which cell is our own cell and which cell is foreign cell. Okay, in the higher vertebrates, evolved and developed its ability to differentiate foreign organisms like pathogen or molecule from self cells, but some tissue, due to the genetic or other unknown regions, but body attacks self cells, and this disease is called as autoimmune disease. So sometimes what happens, when some tissues or some cells of the body are not able to differentiate that which cell is our own cell and which cell is the foreign cell, in some cases particular symptoms are occurred, maybe occur in that particular region, and these symptoms can cause a particular disease, and this disease is called as autoimmune disease. आपने एक बहुत कॉमन डिजीज़ सुनी होगी, रिमेटॉइड आर्थराइटिस करके एक डिजीज़ होती है जिसको हम जनरल लैंग्वेज में गठिया बोलते हैं। ठीक है, तो ये बुढ़ापे में ज़्यादातर ये डिजीज़ आपने देखी गई है। तो जो रूमेटॉइड आर्थराइटिस है, आपकी एक ऑटो इम्यून डिजीज़ का एग्जाम्पल है। ठीक है, सो आई थिंक टुडेज कॉन्सेप्ट इज़ वेरी मच क्लियर. What is allergy and what are the different allergens and how can we get relief from the allergy, and the second thing, what is autoimmunity. ठीक है, and example of autoimmunity, and what is the reason of autoimmunity. So I hope so कि today's topic is very because it was very simple, so I hope so कि you are able to understand that particular topic. If still you are feeling any kind of difficulty, you can concern with me. Once again, I will meet you in the next video, uh, in, in the next video in the next day. Till then, thank you, bye bye, and have a nice day.